Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah, Poet Spice, and I am here to do, not really an unboxing because it didn't really come in a box, but to share the Little Darlings LDRS. It's like a subscription box kit, although it wasn't really a subscription box, so to speak. And it comes out every other month, and you don't subscribe, you just have to go in and order it. So I thought I would show you that because it came a couple days ago and I saw it and I was just like, yes. So cute. Because, you know, I'm on this Little Darlings mini thing kick and it's just ridiculousness. It is. It really is. So let me show you the items that came in here. The only thing I wish is that they had had a little more paper, like that they had done a paper pad instead of just sheets. So they gave you, well, they didn't give it to you. You paid for it. This, like, navy blue sparkly paper, which is gorgeous. It reminds me actually of a tonic paper, and it's pretty thick. They gave you this hot pink, and it's thick, and so you could make card bases out of it. They gave you this like royal blue one, which is gorgeous, and then just like it's like a off bluey gray color. It may come off as white. So you got those pages. I'm looking at this typewriter, a 1958 cold steel travel typewriter on YouTube while I'm filming this, and I'm like, that's cute. Okay, then you got some 6x6 pages, but like I said, I wish I had given you like a paper pad. So this design here, this one here, the little paw print, so that's a clue as to what's coming. This one, and this one. So definitely cute papers, but you only get one sheet of each. Then they gave you this bag of sequins, dewdrops, beads for shaker bits. And then, oh my gosh, of course, you have the stumps and dies. And oh my goodness. So let's start with this one. You have this stencil, and it's 3 layers for this row of dog houses. How cute is that, right? I don't do a lot of stenciling, but I'm like, okay. And then you have the die. And so the stencil will fit over parts of this die. I think she said it doesn't fit perfectly, but it's close enough. So I thought that was cute. Absolutely adorable. Then you have this set of stamps and dies. So you have this little mountain range with this little airplane right here. I like that little sun. And then you've got this. Enjoy the journey. And they give you the die to cut out the heel. So it is cool that they give it to you the top part so that you can cut around here, but there's no bottom edge, so you can make this as long as you wanted to. And then you have the die to cut the sun. Okay, then the piece de resistance. I'll show you the dies first. Keep the suspense going. Those are the dies. And look at the stumps. How cute are these? Oh my gosh, look at his little snowshoes. These little dogs. Now they need to be coming out with the cat version, so come on now. But look at these little pups. He's on his skis. At first I thought he was like throwing snowballs up in the air or something, or dancing, but I think he's supposed to be like on the ground, you know, making snow angels or something. But either way, it's too cute. So I was like, how cute is that? Had to have it. So that is the first Little Darlings, not subscription box, but we'll say subscription box just for ease. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment below. Let me know if you would like to see any coloring videos to go along with these, or demonstrations or something like that. You know what I'm talking about. And I shall see you guys later. Send out some prayers for this world that we live in, and you guys be safe out there.